Hey everybody, Jim King back out here with my amigos, my A-team. These guys, we're going to put in two King Pier 2s. This little wall right here section has kind of broke off a little bit, separated. They came in and patched. We're going to knock all that out. The door is working properly now, so this is going to be a stabilizer. If we was to raise this back up to where it was at, the door wouldn't work. So the owner said the door's working good. He just wants us to stabilize this or play it by ear. We'll be here when it's time to raise, and I'll take a look at it. Me and the owner will make a decision whether we're going to raise this and or stabilize it. So stay with me. King Piers out here in Kansas City, out off Ward Parkway. For all your foundation repair needs, call me 816-521-8915. You can always visit us on our website, kingpiers.com. Thank you.